It is important to pair the Easy Remote with your Philips TV, so you can make use of the voice control functionality. There are two ways to pair the Easy Remote with the TV. For first-time pairing during the guided installation, hold the Easy Remote less than 1 meter away from your TV. Press the Home and Back buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds, and a pairing guide will appear on the screen. The blue LED light on the Easy Remote will start blinking during the pairing process. When the TV has been successfully paired with the Easy Remote, the TV will move forward with the next step of the setup. Another option, which you can do while watching TV and at a time of your preference, is pressing the Home and Back buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The blue LED light on the Easy Remote will start blinking during the pairing process, and on the TV screen you will see a message announcing that the TV is waiting to pair with the remote. When the process is complete, a message confirming that the pairing has been finalized will be prompted, and the blue LED light on your Easy Remote will be turned off.